So in this video, we are going to continue the same validation rule which we had started earlier. Okay, I'm going to edit this. Now I'm going to add one more function here called OR. So I'm checking here if the record is getting created, right? If it is a new record and if the stage is closed on. What if I have to check while creating a new opportunity if the stage is either closed on or closed lost, then error message. Currently I'm checking if the stage is closed on only. What if I have to check if the stage is closed on or closed lost, one of this, then error message. In this case I have to use here, exactly here. Okay, so select move your cursor, and here I have to use one more function called OR. So check this out, I'm using AND. Inside AND I'm using OR. So AND means this will be true, understand this, okay? AND means this will be true and either this or this would be true. You get it? So inside the OR function, I have to define here if stage is equal to closed on or closed lost. Simple. So I'll just copy this thing. I will copy from here till here, this bracket, Control X, put it in the logical first. Okay, and same thing I'll be pasting over here. I remove everything. Okay, see now I have AND is new. Hope you can see my screen. OR, and here I'm checking if the stage is closed on. I'll just put here one comma, space, and same thing I will copy, or let's not copy it. Same thing I'm going to create by using the isPickVal. Select isPickVal. This one you have to select it where? Here. So first click on that cursor, move your cursor first here, then click here and then click here. Done. Okay, now it looks a little complex, okay, but you have to understand, no shortcut. So you have to go here, or I'm checking first conditions, and second condition will be what? Stage name, same stage name, Control C, Control V, and here inside the first inverted comma it should be closed lost. Very simple. Now I have three brackets. Check the brackets. Sometime you miss the bracket and you'll get a syntax error. So this is my first bracket which is closing, and it's opening over here. Second bracket is for the OR bracket is starting here and it's closing here, and the last bracket is for AND bracket is starting here, closing here. All set. So now I'm gonna go and save this, but let me just tweak the error message. Stage cannot be closed. Okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, click on save. If everything is correct in my validation rule, then what will happen? I'll create a new opportunity, and while creating a new opportunity, I'm gonna give stage as closed lost. Let's see what happened. Save. See, I got an error. Stage cannot be closed while creating. I'm gonna go and change these to closed on. Save. I got the same error. Okay, what if I make it to prospecting? Save. This time my record gets saved. Okay, just quickly check the validation rule one more time, what I have written. So the validation rule is AND. Okay, I'm checking is new. Okay, I don't know how to remove this red lines here. Okay, I have removed it. Good. Now this would be easy for you to understand it. Okay, see, I'm checking here AND is new, and inside this I'm checking OR. So either the stage name is equal to close on or the close lost. If one of this is true and if it is new, then error message. So validation rule is basically all the conditions that you satisfy, you specify here, it has to be satisfied. If all the conditions satisfied, then you'll get the error message. Okay, very simple. This is how we create validation rule. That's it for this video. Next video, we're gonna discuss one more validation rule. We're gonna implement one more validation rule, which will be a little more complex than this. Okay, so see you in the next video.